Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to find IP address on Windows. In Windows is essential for troubleshooting network connectivity issues and configuring network security settings. So let's start the video to get IP address on Windows. Now press Ctrl plus Windows key. Then you see Run command. In that type CMD and hit Enter. Then you see CMD Command Center. In that type ipconfig, then hit Enter. That's it, you have find your IP address, which is the IPv4 address. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more. And hit the like button if you found this helpful. And let me know what you thought in the comments below.